Ya ka Tamasa Sohshan ani strawberry lapli pat bah ka artrik ujembang hamadan darat Chigri West Garo Hills da uvi bhor Agarwal ubade deputy commissioner haringkat bat kathira CH Mara kabade ka district horticulture officer kani ka Tamasa mana penlong daga Meghalin H Limited ringkat bat katanat Jngoh kai Pyrthei bat katanat karap karyang jaga jalla badru ka jingdan ringkat bat ka art source kathmu ban Kyntiew kam Jngoh kai Pyrthei halo karap karyang lani agro tourism bat jaga kam rep Sohshan ha kani kathan kani Tamasa kalapan ikerpang ya Jngoh jang karep Sohshan bala kershan ru da ki jing ai ki jing rap ki bapher na ka sarkar uvi bhor Agarwal la banjur ya ka bor jangka ban Kyntiew ya kayo kakot jang kani kathan bat kumjuru ya ki kam Jngoh kai Pyrthei ha ka Sngi ka baningkong kaladan ka Kyntiew Sohshan nang tade bat chong pulai bat nya cycle bat ki basa ki badi ya ki jingmi na u Sohshan kum ki wine ki umso bat ki ashar kabala kring shibon ki padba katam kaput ka bakentup ya ka akisa bat mikrang kalapen bernyaru hadu kata-kata ki nongwan ni shibenta kasngi ka baar kelawan ra khambun chushu ki jing sngobha ha ka baladon katam kaput bat karwai kasyao na ka chirang marak chaname bat nakikinhon ahaya bat nokpatti kani ka program kalapan paru ya karap karyang ka banne basa bat ka kershan ru ikinong rap bat kinong seng kamlajong.
So strawberry is something which really creates something unique in our mind, right? When we hear of strawberry fields, of strawberry farms, it seems like a novelty. It seems like something which really evokes something bright in ourselves, right? I still feel happy whenever strawberry comes in my home, right? So I think starting the strawberry cultivation here, it's a very unique, it's a very important initiative on the part of horticulture department. That can go a very long way in ensuring that the people here have livelihoods. The people here have more avenues of ensuring of utilizing their potential, of utilizing the potential of the soil of the earth that is there. And I think because of that, as a horticulture officer was informing me, the government has increased the number of farms under cultivation from 3 to 14. As I was being told that with a good harvest also, there was such a huge demand for strawberries. So I'm very sure that in coming years we'll keep increasing the area, we'll keep increasing the technology to improve the harvest, and I think subsequently we should start aiming to go for exports as well, because that is where the pricing can be attracted well, and ultimately the farms here, the cultivation here has the advantage of being organic as well. So I think if we utilize it well, if we market it well, this strawberry cultivation here can also be a very great boost for tourism, and can also be a very great boost for livelihood, right? And can compete with other prominent areas. For example, in Maharashtra there is Mahabaleshwar, Nashik, all those areas are there which are already famous for strawberries. People visit there, people go for tourism there for strawberry fields, for experiencing that, for purchasing. I remember I had also done the same. We bought a lot of strawberries. So this place has that potential, right? So if we can synergize between those two things, I think it can be very as well. So thank you for that, and please keep encouraging, please keep motivating our farmers to continue this, to see in any initiative, in any path, there are bound to be a lot of difficulties, lot of gaps. So that may be something similar which will be here, but and sometimes the farmers may feel a bit lost, sometimes the farmers may feel a bit demotivated because of any external situations that may be there. So please be there for helping them, for supporting them, for motivating them to not leave this. There are a lot of things which were started but have been discontinued, right? Because people could not get the enough motivation. So I think that is very important.